Hello everyone, and welcome to the live streaming. So today we will discuss and talk about current setups, what we have to do, how we can do it especially. And as you know, on those webinars I'm trying to share with you a lot of knowledge to give you the basic understanding of the market. And of course, if you're good and if you're capable of, and if you're there with us at least few streams, you should make money. Okay, this is very powerful knowledge. You can apply it all across the market. You can use it on Forex, crypto, stocks, whatever, commodities. Okay, it doesn't matter. It only matters what you want to choose. Okay, which market you are choosing, or where would you love to be focused. So for those who are first time there, who don't know me, I am Christian. I've been trading for 10 years and been there active on TradingView for the last 5 years. I'm the owner of my academy, having a trading academy where I teach people how to trade, how to become traders, professional traders, and of course the fund managers. Currently I am starting with the hedge fund. This is in the startup, so by the end of this year we will have a hedge fund running. So if anyone would love to join the capital of the hedge fund, let me know, send me the private message, and I will give you the more informations. So for everyone who is there, let me know who is there and who make money since yesterday. Okay, yesterday we've been discussing about the yen pairs. Give me yes in live chat if you make money. Let's see how many of you are listening me, or are you just there to just for the information. Okay, so I want for every one of you that you are learning and you are making money from it. Very good, Mate, it's making money, so that's what I want. Where are the others? Come on guys. Hope that there is not only one who is listening to me and applying the knowledge into his trading, into his everyday trading. Okay, you need to call an action. You're not trading Forex. Okay, that's not a problem. It's fine as well. I'm now saying just because of the yen, because yen has a really nice movement across the market. All yen pairs did a wonderful job. I've been repeating for yen pairs for almost 14 days now. This setup has been developing there very long, and today, since yesterday and today, we have a final break to the downside, and there is a big money that should be made. Okay, so this is the minimum what you can make. Okay, so 300 pips per one single pair. Okay, if you have only one trade, and there are a couple of them. Okay, that's the reason why I'm mentioning it. Okay, so look at that one. Yesterday we were live, and I was discussing, once this was in the making, what you should do, where you should do, how to do it. If you were not there, go back and watch the yesterday recording. It's live, it's uploaded on my YouTube channel and on TradingView as well. So make sure you go watch it and learn something. Okay, without the action, without doing something, you ain't gonna be profitable. Okay, you have to push yourself, do something, don't just watch. Okay, because with watching you cannot make money. Okay, and this is why you are probably not there. You want to make money. Everyone is there to make money, not just to watch and see what others are doing. Come on, so there's only one who made money yesterday. Seriously? Seriously, only one? I've expected at least 10 to 15 people that will be in the profit on the yen pairs. But never mind. Okay, you should not be frustrated. Nothing is gone. The yen pairs and the setups will still appear. There are a lot of pairs, and yen will still correct. Okay, as you know, as I'm always repeating, correction, it's always there. It always appears, and you should not feel frustrated, or you should not feel bad for something like that. Okay, at least not to jump right now. Okay, so don't jump into the market right now. That's not the time to jump into the yen pairs, and you should wait. Wait for what? For the correction, as I'm always repeating. Okay, so one is saying got stopped out on year yen, stop loss was too tight. Oh, that's not a problem. Okay, okay, so you at least learn something. Very good. At least you take the trade, at least you learn something. That's good. It's better than doing nothing. Very good. Okay, there has been a lot of trades. Aussie yen as well. Aussie yen did same there. Okay, so we were there when we were talking about the breakdown yesterday. Same there. Same there as well. All of them break down. Okay, all of them just break down nicely. Very nice breakdowns. Pound yen as well. They're breaking down. Chief yen, that was the biggest one, I think. Okay, there was how many pips? There was 470 pips. I think this was the best one. And of course, we were discussing about the USDN, which I didn't recommend you to trade, but it still drops down. But we didn't take a trade over there. Look at that on structure, it's not good. And if you do remember what I said yesterday, it's don't trade over there. Okay? So if you don't know what I was talking about yesterday, you should go back and watch the webinar, definitely. Definitely you should go and watch yesterday's recording, yesterday's webinar. Bitcoin USD and Ethereum USD. Yes, we will go and check the Bitcoin right away. Okay, so were you there yesterday once we were talking about the Bitcoin? Bitcoin, it's kind of interested right now. So to complete with EM pairs, okay, for now we can't do anything. Okay, right now, as it stands right now, you cannot do anything. All you can do is just take profit and wait for another correction. That's all what you can do. You cannot jump in, okay? So don't feel that you missed anything. The correction will appear over there, okay? Correction can appear over there easily, and then we will have more downside. Same there on pound yen, for example. Correction will appear over there. Euro yen as well. Correction will appear over there. Okay, they always does. Look at that one, okay? Look at that one. They drops, they correct. So what they did, they drops. What they should do, correct. How big? For 4 hours, okay? That's gonna take up for 2 to 3 days, depends, okay? So this is what we are waiting. CAD yen, same there. Okay, dropping. Okay, what should I do now? Wait for the correction. Take more sells. Right? Aussie yen. What is it doing? Dropping. Dropping, and we are just waiting for the corrections. Okay, so let it correct and take a sell. Okay, so very good. Okay, very good. For those who took it, for those who didn't, it's as well good. You're still learning. Okay, you're still in the learning process. You are one step closer to achieve your goal, to become profitable. Yeah, okay, so we have a question. So on yen pairs, don't buy, only wait that the correction ends and then sell. Yes. Okay, buying as it stands right now, it's very, very dangerous. Okay, we should not be buying it over there. So if I will discuss a little bit about the buy, why should I take there? There are no signs of any buy. We are still in this daily. If you watch the daily, this still, for example, has to go down. So why the price should go from there? There are no signs currently, and you will be trading 50-50. Okay, 50% of chances that this can go up if you immediately start watching for buy, and 50% chances that it will go down. So what is the better option? To let the price come down, lose it some momentum over there, then you will gain more options. So then options for buy will be 80% versus 20%. 80% of the price will go up and 20% of the price will go down. Okay, so then again you need a strategy. When and how do you will know that the trend is completed, how you know the trend is dying out, how you know that trend is setting up for buy, and so on. But this is what I will not discuss over there because it will take too long. But Mate, you already know how to do this. You are in our academy, so we will discuss about this into details. Moon W say yes, sell. Okay, great. So if you take the sell on Bitcoin USD, great. So you hear it correctly, you saw the structure, you follow it, you are learning. Great. So I will go slowly to the Bitcoin and discuss about it, Bitcoin and Ethereum USD. Okay, but say to explain this a little bit. Why should not we buy over there? Okay, this should be clear. Okay, there are no signs. If I will take everything off, or let me go into the new layout, I will take a fresh chart, remove everything, and that was the New Zealandian, for example. Okay, so why will I buy over there? Okay, oh sorry, where is it over there? Daily. I don't see any strength over there. Okay, I should not be relying on these lows. This is nothing. Okay, that's not valuable. That has no value here. So you should not watch previous low. That's not making sense. What else can we see? If we go to the weekly, why should I buy? Where am I? Okay, I don't think there is a nice solid reason that I should go for the buy. Anyway, price should go lower, give me a correction, then it can go up. Am I right? Because we can see 1, 2, and third wave, it's already in the making. How far it can go? It can stop somewhere there, but it has to go a little bit lower, lose its momentum, and then it can go up. Then you will have a chance for buy. And of course, lower time frame, it's what you will have to watch. But if you watch this one, we are as well in this structure over there. Okay, that could just correct, go up, and then go down. Why? Because this last structure looks like a sell. Okay, so buying, it's kind of dangerous. I do not recommend it from the spot as it is right now, and especially on 1 hour. Okay, momentum, it's very, very strong to the downside. Look at that one. Okay, trying to grab those lows over there, or these will not bring you the money. Okay, if you grab this opportunity, and let's say you were lucky enough that you bought it and price went up, that's not the money. Okay, this is not where we will be making money. This is where we make money. These down, these down, these down, and these down. Okay, this is where we are making money. We are not making money in these slow, boring moves with small money. Okay, we have the answer. Sorry, need to come back to work. I will watch recording. Appreciate your crypto analysis and Forex. To all too, not trading it yet, but learning about structures. That's great. So at the beginning, you don't need to trade. Okay, it's very good that you are learning, that you are there, that you are following the structures. Okay, just following the structures, drawing where you will enter, how you will enter, and see how it develops is very, very, very good behavior. You can learn from this too much. Okay, not too much, but a lot. Let's say like that. Okay, you can learn a lot from just following. Follow the structure, see how it works, how it develops, when you should enter, how you will enter. Okay, don't just put your money straight into your market. You will not miss anything. You can start trading with your real money in next 2 months and you will make more money. As you know, if you're good enough and if you have enough big capital, you can make 100k in 1 day. Okay, 100k in 1 day is very easy to achieve if you have the proper knowledge and if you know what you're doing. But you just have to prepare yourself for this. Okay, so it's not the time right now. So keep on learning. I'm always saying that knowledge is first. If you have the knowledge, you will grow your account. You will have a lot of abundance in your life. So we all know what to do. No one should be pushing trades right now. Okay, let's go back to my screens over there. At least 1 hour correction is what we need. Okay, so if I will use the trend line, something like this and this, what we are anticipating. Okay, so this should correct over there, but don't trade it. Okay, don't trade it. It's not looking good and you're risking too much money, because if you are buying, price can just go down, it will stop you out, and then it will go up, and then you will try to buy again or somewhere there, wherever, it can still drop, and then it will go into this correction, and then it will go down. So you will have couple of losses, you will miss this buy anyway, and you will miss the sell. So market will win against you. So don't let the market confuse you. Okay, stick to your rules, stick to the structure, just trade in one direction. Don't try to trade corrections and impulses. Focus on the impulses, because impulses will give you enough money to cover all your days when you didn't trade. Okay, for example, if you're not trading for 2 days, third day or fourth day or fifth day will be covered with the impulse and will give you enough reward, enough money for those days when you didn't trade or when you were just preparing yourself. That's what you have to do. Okay, so just set up your mind, set up your behaviors for success, not for failure. Don't overtrade, okay? Because if you're trying to trade correction and impulse, you're setting yourself for overtrading. And we all know what the overtrading is. Overtrading is a failure, clear failure. So don't do stuff like this. It costs me a lot, so I really don't want you to do the same mistake. Try to avoid it. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, just feel free to use the chat. I'm here to help you, to support you, to answer all your questions. So use the chat, right? So don't feel afraid. So let's see what the crypto is doing. Okay, so we have a question about the crypto, what the crypto is trying to do. Let me just go straight to the crypto. Okay, so what we are anticipating. And here's what I was trying to teach you. I'm always teaching you kind of similar thing. Yesterday we were discussing about this. Price starts to go up and I said don't take the buy. Why? Because it can do exactly 1, 2, 3. And then what? Price will drop down. What it did? It drops down. You see? This structure and this strategy works really amazing. It will give you a lot of profits. So don't push yourself. Don't try to take every single wave, every correction that appears across the market. Okay, you don't even need to read the news. Okay, don't read the news. I'm always repeating this kind of stuff. It's a bullshit. Okay, it's a bullshit, and you can apply news and fundamentals into your trading. No one ever make and generated money based on news. People think that they are making money based on news, but you can quickly test something. Okay, so I will give you a quick challenge. So if you pick 10k account and if you pick lot size, for example 0.10, and if you just close your eyes and press or buy or sell and leave this trade running for next 6 months and then watch the trade in 6 months, if the trade is in profit, then you did very good job. But if trade is in the minus, let it run for next 6 months and you will be at least on the break even. And this is why fundamentals has nothing to do with it. Okay, nothing to do with this. So if you don't believe me, go straight, open the demo, check it. Okay, check it, try it by yourself, see if this is so. Always price comes back, always. Take profit for Ozian. Just a second, I'm already on Bitcoin. We'll try to answer the question that we are having on YouTube, and then we will show the take profit on Ozian, right? So if we call this as a correction 1, 2, 3, what we had yesterday over there, boom. Very good. So what the price is trying to do, let me just do something like this, and then to show you how nice correction is over there. So what we can expect, this to start pushing lower. Okay, so follow this movement. Is there the buy? I don't see it. Okay, I really don't see it. We break the low, so it could go up, but that's not the sign for buy. This move, it's not a sign for buy. When you should be buying, or how or when you will be ready to buy. If it goes up, corrects, then you can buy. But until you are under the trend line, let's say, it somehow indicates you that you are too early with buying. And by grabbing this low, you will just have a nice trade. But trying to catch those lows, you will generate a lot of losses. A lot of losses will be generated on your account. And for example, if you lose 3 of them, 1, 2, 3 trades, and if this goes, you will still not be in the profit. That's the problem. You will still not be in the profit because you lose too many times. That's not making sense. So rather, just wait for confirmation, develop something what you will watch for, develop your entry strategy. Okay, develop your entry strategy. What you will wait, how you will wait, when you will enter, what you want to see on the chart before you will enter, and so on. And don't rely on indicators. Indicators will just confuse you over there. So what I do anticipate right now on Bitcoin. Bitcoin will develop something like this and start to push lower. Okay, so how far and why and so on, let me tell you on the daily. It could just tag the low and then it can go for the bigger correction and another leg lower and then going lower, or it could go down, make a new low totally over there, lose its momentum, and then it will start its way to the upside. Weekly, we are close to this movement. We are close to end this movement. Okay, so it could just struggle over there and then it will start its movement to the upside. So in upcoming months, we could prepare ourselves for some investments in Bitcoin, but not right now. Okay, it's too early. It's still too early. Let it develop, let it do something. Okay, it's not ready yet to buy. So if you are trying to buy, not yet. If you're selling it, you can sell it. Okay, sell it, see how this goes, and take profit over there. Don't hold it for too long. If the price will be aggressive, then yes, you are holding it more, and of course, you're taking profit. I will not prefer you to hold the sells on Bitcoin. And then ATH-USD, that was the question as well. Yesterday, okay, we were discussing about this. It breaks down, it's correcting now, and it's still going down. That's still the correction, it's just the lower degree correction. This is the lower degree correction, this is the higher degree correction. You see the difference? Higher degree versus lower degree. Okay, both are the corrections. Both of those are the corrections, and this still has to go lower. So Ethereum USD, it's still the downside. We still have another leg lower. How far? Let's see. Not far probably. It could struggle over there and then it could go up. So when I will start selling, okay, if I see the bigger correction for sell, then I will take a sell. For now, just take a sell and see how it develops. Okay, if it struggles over there, take profit. But anyway, watch for sell. If you are the seller, sell it. Buy, it's not ready yet. So no one should start buying on any crypto, any altcoin, any crypto. It's not the time. Give yourself a little bit more time. Stay a little bit more patient. You ain't gonna miss anything. Okay, it's really too early to start investing. I will let you know. Okay, I'm trying to share as much knowledge as I can with you, so I will give you the sign when it's time to start investing in crypto. So if you're first time there, make sure you will subscribe and you'll be there on every webinar and we will discuss it. Okay, I will let you know when this is ready. Okay, so to answer now, take profit on AUD. Let me go to AUD. The trend line will be your first profit. Okay, first profit. If you're having enough high sales, then keep holding it. Keep holding. I will keep holding it. This will probably do something like this, go down and then go into the bigger correction, and then still has to go lower. So hold it. You can take profit around the trend line, then wait for the bigger correction, then you sell again. But you don't need to hold your sell through this correction. You can take profit earlier. Take profit earlier, you ain't gonna lose anything because you enter when the market will finish its correction. You don't need to hold your trades when the correction is in the making. You don't need to. Take your money, put it in your pocket, wait for structure development, let the correction develop. Once it's completed, now it's your time to make money again, right? Impulse will develop anytime. So you know what to do. This could nicely break down as well. Sorry. Sorry for that. This has to break down, but not without the correction. We need to see some correction. Can this go for the buy? I don't see buy coming over there. Weekly, okay, weekly structure is telling to me that we have to go back at this trend line. But first, this is your profit. Then you have to wait for the correction, and then you sell again back to this trend line. Okay, so basically you are selling from the trend line to the trend line. That's some, let's say, guidance or advice how you can try to trade. Just use the live chat, guys. Don't be afraid. What else? EURUSD. That one was a nice structure as well yesterday. Look at that one. It went lower. We've been discussing about this, how it develops. First we thought it's a buy. Once this completed, we clearly saw that this is the sell. We start selling it, we sell it, and we sell it. Did we read any news? No. Why we don't read news? Because we don't care. Okay? Structure and the candle is enough strong data. And if you don't understand the candle, then you have a problem. Go and grab some knowledge. You have to understand it. Candle has a lot of information. It's carrying a lot of information. If you understand, if you read it correctly, then it's like a book. Okay? If you know how to read, you will be capable of reading, right? So if you don't know how to read, then you will not understand anything. Okay, you will just watch some words in the book and you'll be just watching. So probably that's happening to you with the charts as well. You don't understand the patterns, you don't understand their behavior, and then you're just watching it, and then you're trying to search for some kind of the confirmation. That's the worst thing that you could ever do. Try to find the confirmation for your thinking process. Okay, your thought doesn't need to be confirmed. Hi, what about XRP? I have no idea. I will add it, but it's probably the same. I will add it for you. XRP USD. Let me just add it. What this one saying? Give me the daily view. That's showing me a sell. It looks like a sell. 1, 2, 3. See, it has to go down and then go up. Okay, so I think all crypto it's showing this last move to downside. Okay, let me change the color so you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so all crypto is showing me this last push to the downside before we will have this move to the upside. So make sure you're enough patient for this last push to the downside. If it's not so, again, you will not miss anything. Why? Because there it will be the correction. So calm down, you didn't miss anything. Let the structure develop, let it do whatever it wants to do, let it confirm what is it doing. Okay, let's say like this, if this is the buy, you have no confirmation, you still have to wait for the confirmation. It's not your indicator. None of indicators will confirm the up move. What it will confirm its movement, chart by itself, candles will confirm the move. So make sure you are patient enough to wait for this confirmation. It always appears. Look at that one, for example. We thought this is the sell. Okay, first we thought this is the sell, we're waiting for sell. Then price did what? It changed its direction and it confirms it, and then it gives you the buy and then went up. Then if you miss this one, you should not be opening trades over there. It gives you another correction, another confirmation, and then it went up again. So if you just repeat the same kind of the behavior, the same steps as we did over there, what you should do over there? Can I immediately press buy? Of course not. Because you can very fast, probably it already happened to you, that you saw that you're buying at the top. And that doesn't happen only to the crypto, okay? It's not only on the crypto market, that happens to the traders, to the investors, all across the markets, from stocks to Forex to commodities, whatever. They think that this is start of the momentum and they bought over there, and then price did what? It just go for another leg lower. Then instead of buying it from the low, they are buying it from the high. Very bad behavior, very bad situation. So make sure you stay patient, make sure you stay focused enough, and don't rush for the trade. If you don't know how to, just invest some time, at least some money, to educate yourself, to understand what are you doing, where to go in, how to get in, and so on. You will not miss anything, right? There's always a time and opportunity forming on the market. Hello, what about Ethereum? We already discussed about the Ethereum. Look at that one. Oh, sorry. This was the Ethereum. It still has to go down, okay? This is since yesterday, went lower. Now it's correcting again. It could go for another leg lower, higher, sorry, and then drop, or it can drop from where it is right now, okay? You have to watch it. It can drop down from there, from this current point. Those crypto are kind of similar. Could you comment FTMUSD? Yes, why not? That's why we are here, right? FTMUSD. Same as Bitcoin. Can go another leg lower. They can go something like this, and then the price will start its move to the upside. So still have to stay patient a little bit. Yeah, this will probably correct over there and go for another leg lower, and then from there it will start its way to the upside. So you have to watch it. Once it will break this low, it will probably stop somewhere there, and it will start build its momentum. That doesn't mean you just buy once it breaks the low. Oh, that's gonna be too early. That could be too early. But yes, we are on a very nice spot over there, and then it has to go up. Okay, where is the 0, 0? It's far away. Yeah, oh, 0, it's far away. We will probably stop somewhere there, and then we will have the move. Okay, but don't try to rush. What could happen as well, okay? So if you will be too fast, you will start investing, and price will do what? It will go for sideways for next 10 years. Okay? And believe me, trust me, you don't want to invest money for 10 years to do nothing. Okay, so wait for perfect timing, wait for the best spot, especially if you're watching charts every day. If you're watching charts every day, you don't need to catch total bottom, right? No need to catch the total bottom. On 10 minutes, I see bearish flag. Could you take a look? Let me see. No, that's not good. That could be extension for another leg higher. This could be something like this, go up and then go lower. something like this. Yeah, going up and down. Only sell strong break to the downside. If you want to sell, wait just for the strong break to the downside. Don't be too fast. Don't rush. You have time, right? You don't need to know right now what the price will do, but put it in your watch list and see how it develops. Give it some time. If I was you, I will not push the market from the current standpoint. We'll just wait what the price will do. Okay, definitely this will be good idea to watch for more downside, but it's not a bearish flag. Are you leverage trader or are you spot trader on crypto? Let me know. Spot. Okay, then you can wait. Then you don't need to rush. Don't rush. It's that's right. That's right. I think the same. I agree with you. I agree with Adrian. He's saying that no leverage ever too dangerous. That's true, because crypto it's too volatile. Yeah, that's true. Crypto is so volatile. It's very good that you can make a lot of money within few minutes or seconds, but you can even lose it. Okay, one day you will lose it. So I agree with you. Okay, so this is what I'm anticipating on your USD. So what else, guys? Any questions? If you missed anything, if you missed the setup that we've been watching, and if you didn't have time, it's not a problem. It's not a problem. Just calm down a little bit and get your focus back. Prepare yourself for next setup. Okay, that's not the only and the last movement on the market that happened on the yen pairs. Okay, this wasn't the last movement that you missed. So there's always a lot to come. And if this will be the last movement on the market, then I will stop trading as well. That's not the last movement. Okay, there's a lot of movements that are coming over there. A lot of money is coming. Okay, a lot of money is coming. So make sure you stay focused. You know what you're doing and that you're prepared. Okay, prepare for next move. Hi. Yeah, ever will go down. Ever, it's not in good pattern. We all know, we've been discussing already about this, so we are going down. This is the pattern that I'm always sharing with you. We have to visit the lows. Okay, yesterday we've been discussing about nice sideways movement which will basically support the recession. But anyway, what I was trying to say, and what the buy dollar index, it's going up. Okay, so let me just show you daily. It's going up and it will just still probably go a little bit higher. It will correct probably over there, another leg higher. It can push its way to the upside a little bit and then it has to go down back at the trend line or deeper correction, something like that, before next push to the upside. Weekly, where we are, let me show you the picture. Okay, we are in this structure where we need to have a deeper correction if it will go up more, or it can totally reverse and go another leg lower. Then this will be the running flat and we will revisit the lows, but this will be after the recession. During the recession and until 2025, I see that the dollar will not lose its value. Okay, it will stay stronger. But after that, once everyone will deload their positions from the dollar, it can happen, the drop can happen, and we will see the breaking of this low. But until now, that's too far away. Okay, so we're discussing again too much far away in the future. We can't make money with discussing about the future. We are now in this moment and we have to see what we have right now in this moment and where's the opportunity where we can make money. Okay, so what we are doing, we just have to go for the deeper correction over there. And what is it trying to do? Okay, so I think that there it will be another correction and then another leg higher, and then it will go boom, this move, and then more upside. That's what I see, and that's how we can trade. For now, you can do much. Probably today you can trade it over there. You have to wait for correction. Next week you'll have a chance to trade again. Okay, we have a chance there. A few days ago there was a nice flag for the buy. Okay, so if this is all, I will slowly end the webinar over there. I will wait a couple of minutes if we have any questions, if there will be any questions, so I will wait a little bit. And just to let you know, guys, if you would love to join our team, our academy, then feel free to go to website trademaster.eu and then you will find the membership there which will fit with you. Okay, okay, so I didn't catch Bitcoin, but I will rewind later. Thanks for everything, Queen Desk. Oh, Queen Desk. You renamed yourself. Welcome anyway. Yes, Bitcoin we discussed about it, but let me just quickly show you, okay? Because you are one of our old followers, and yes, here is the picture for you. Just follow this strong breakdown set if it appears, and another leg lower only. This is the small trade if you are trading on leverage over there. Not a big movement on crypto. Crypto will be probably by the end of the year will be ready to start investing. It will be good to load some position in the crypto. So this is it. Thank you everyone for being there. Thank you everyone. Think to yourself that you're here, that you're making something new, that you're trying to learn something new. So you did very good step. Okay, if you show up on that webinar, you did very good thing. You are moving you're moving forward. So congratulations. So if you're happy with the webinar, share it with your friend, discuss about it, and see you on next webinar. Bye bye everyone.